Wagwan Massive. I decided to make my own chicken tenders since they are pretty much expensive to buy in supermarkets in Jamaica. I used two small chicken breasts, cutting them lengthwise into strips and then wash them into a vinegar and water solution. Afterwards, I drain and pat dry them. Then season them with black pepper, Maggi, chicken and all-purpose seasoning, complete seasoning as well. I didn't use a lot of spices. Now to give it a Jamaican flavor, I added some slices of onion and a pepper and one clove garlic as well. And then I cover the chicken strips and allow them to marinate for 10 minutes. Could be longer, but I was pressed for time. In a container, I place half cup of all-purpose flour, about 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I do not use cornstarch. I also added a bit of all-purpose seasoning, and that is the only spice that I added as well because I already properly seasoned the chicken strips. Then I mix the ingredients together and set it aside. To one beaten egg, I am adding just a little bit of cow's milk, about 2 teaspoons. Then I added a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, and then I mix the egg and the all-purpose seasoning and the milk together and set it aside. I am removing the garlic, the hot pepper and the onion from the chicken strips and putting them into the egg and milk mixture. Then gonna drench them into the mixture and then drain off the excess amount. Then drench them into the flour mixture and shake off the excess amount and then put them into a container. So now I'm pouring about quarter cup of vegetable oil into the pot. I'm gonna allow the oil to become hot, but not smoking hot. Then add the chicken strips. Some of them I'm gonna fry them into steps, and then I'm gonna fry them until they are golden brown and crispy. About 2 minutes on each side. Cause remember, there are no bones, so they are easy to fry. I'm gonna turn them and then I'm gonna remove them from the pot and drain them on a paper towel and enjoy them with tamarind sauce, popularly called tamarind in Jamaica. Tamarind sauce is not a popular sauce in Jamaica, but I can tell you that it is a wicked combination when I dip the chicken tenders into the tamarind sauce. Oh, burst of flavors in my mouth. Wicked. Wow, good.